The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Driftwood Builders Roofing. Austin weather can be unpredictable, and your roof is your home's first line of defense. Nick Riley, owner of Driftwood Builders Roofing, and Nathan Thomas are here to talk about how they can help. So Nathan, let's start with you. With so many roofing companies here in Austin, how can homeowners choose the right one?
That's a great question. And if you ever have a storm situation, you're going to be overwhelmed with the number of roofers trying to get a hold of you. The best course of action is to take that decision-making process into your own hands, and you research the roofers that are reaching out to you. Find someone that has great reviews, and look for someone that has reviews over the course of the last several years, not just recent reviews.
Yeah.
And you can narrow down to a list of roofers that sound great for you.
Okay, seems like a pretty seamless process. Now, Nick, for you, what should homeowners do here in Austin if they're worried about the roof after storm damage?
If homeowners are worried about the roof after storm damage, they can always call us for a free, no-pressure inspection. We will never push anything they don't need.
Okay, very good. Now, will insurance premiums go up if someone files a roof claim?
It's possible that your insurance premiums will change, but that's not based on whether you filed the claim yourself or not. Insurance premiums are decided kind of by the zip code. So if there is a storm in your area and there's a lot of roofing work done in that area, you may notice some change in premiums, but it's not whether you filed a claim or not. So don't feel like you filing the claim is going to affect your premiums. It's really the situation of the neighborhood that affects that.
Yeah, I love that. And Nathan, how would you say that your all's approach is different from other companies here in Austin?
Like I said, there are hundreds of roofers in Austin, and if you ever are in a storm situation, you're going to hear from tons of them. What you need to do is pick someone who's going to give you a detailed scope of work and then explain that scope of work to you very transparently. We do that by providing tons of pictures of everything we're talking about. We provide pictures of all the products we're going to use on your roof, and we spend about half an hour to an hour with every customer explaining exactly what those products are, why they're used, and where they're used. So before anyone signs with us, they're going to be informed about their roof, and they're going to feel like they're making a very educated decision.
So Nick, with you, with over 1,000 roofing companies here in Austin, what makes Driftwood different?
Yeah, great question. So Driftwood Builders is the only roofing contractor in Austin, Texas, as both a GAF Master Elite certified contractor for roofing and a James Hardy certified contractor for siding. We've been in business for over 20 years, and for the last 18 years, we've been the trusted roofer of ABC Home and Commercial. They're the biggest home services companies in Austin. They've trusted us, and you should too.
I love that. You guys are doing great work and have great local partnerships. Nick and Nathan, thank you.
Thank you.
Sign up for an inspection today at driftwoodbuildersroofing.com. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Driftwood Builders Roofing.